audible.
Okay, fine, but that is okay.
But you can't hear me.
I can hear you, but it is on a lower note, lower volume, lower voice. If you can just increase your mic volume, that
Wait.
will be good. Otherwise, fine. Okay. So let me introduce you to myself. So my name is Rohan Jain, and I've been into team for more than
Just a
an
minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Please. Just please. 1 minute.
hour.
हेलो. हाँ बोलिए. हाँ मैं तो अभी क्लास कर रहा हूँ. थैंक यू. हाँ. ओके प्लीज कंटिन्यू. हेलो.
Hello.
हाँ या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Hello.
या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah. So I was just saying that. Yes, I think Mohit's voice is pretty much clear.